I was gonna show everybody your eyes that are opening, but nobody's awake. Can you show? Hello? Here, dogs today. Oh, look, she's trying to walk. There she goes. Oh, he's going too. Look at you guys go. Look at you. Can we show eyes? Can someone show their eyes? Oh, just show the walking? Okay, we'll make it a walking video. Dog is walking. It's you three. Everyone else is milk tired. They've had lots of milk today. Oh, what's the matter, little girl? Oh, look at those eyes. Look at those eyes. Look at you beautiful dogs. Oh my goodness. Look at you go. Look, Dave. There's the mama. Good girl, Dave. Look how good there's walking. Oh, it's dreaming over there. I don't know what they could possibly be dreaming about except not finding milk. Hello? It makes noises. Show everybody your noises. Hi. Here's the retriever already starting in them. They're all over here because that's where the people are. They love the people. Hi, baby. Can you show me your eyes? Oh, he's tired. I know, all this growing. All this growing. Today is September 10th. So they're 3 weeks tomorrow. Hello, everyone. Here are the puppies at 3 weeks. We're videotaping that we're changing their collars because they're starting to come off. So whenever possible, we're using the same color. But sometimes we had to change the color. Oh, that's a little tight. Oh no, that's good. And if I can get 2 fingers under there, that means it's not too tight. So look at those eyes. Aren't they beautiful? Stony. This is one of the little boys. Hello, everyone. I've got Rome here. He was wearing green and he's wiggly. He's gonna be like his daddy. He's big. I had to make the collar bigger for him. He's his mini dad. Aren't ya? You're just gonna look like Buddy. His name's Rome. Hi, babies. Your families want to see your cute faces. Where are you? Oh, we're losing our collar. We'll have to fix that. Let's show them all the noises you're making. Oh my. My goodness. Who's hiding over here? Who's hiding? This guy wouldn't even wake up. He's so tired. Show your voices. Read your voices. Well, hello, Susu. Did you come to visit the babies? They're so cute. Here they are all nursing. Now they're nursing standing up, so it's a little bit faster for your Daisy. She gets some on this side, and then there's some over here. It's just a bit faster to feed now. Little chubby bubbies. Chubby bubbies. They're all just chubby bubbies. And Dad's here too. Hi, Dad. What you doing? Hi, everybody. I'm here with Jasper at 3 weeks old. So he was orange. We're gonna take that old collar off because they're just getting so wiggly now that they're wiggling them off. And we will put the same collar of orange on him. Nope, he's too big. He's gonna be like his dad, I think. He's a little big. Anyway, he'll be wearing orange. Everyone, it's Rocky and I and Daisy who's come to bomb into the videos. So Rocky used to be red And now he's gonna be blue. Here I am with Vegas, and Vegas wants to go party already because he's trying to get off my lap. So Vegas was in black, but we don't have a black one. So it's gonna be this gray one. Right? Is that gonna fit you or nope? It's gonna fit. My God, I'm getting better, I guess. Not for long though, my goodness. You boys are turning into your dads. Can you say hi to the babies? Say hi to everybody. I'm 3 weeks old, and I'm adorable. And here I am with our first girl today, Sydney. Can you say hello, Sydney? Show them that pretty face. Sydney's still got purple on and her new collar, and she's a gorgeous little girl. Hi, everyone. Here I am with Brooklyn, who was wearing, oh, what did I do with hers? She was wearing the light blue, and now she's still kind of in the light blue. So there she is, little dark girl, just like Mama and Daddy. So due to the adults wanting to be in all the videos, I had to change my way of doing it. So this is Paris, and she's in light pink, and she's beautiful. Beautiful girl. And here's Devin. He's wearing a brown collar. Say hello, Devin. Okay, look how cute I am. Cute little button. And here we have beautiful Jersey, who will continue to be in her hot pink. Say hello, say kisses. Kisses. Today's a big day. They got moved out of their whelping box and they've got their first crate and pen. So it's a big, big day. Next up, puppy food.